Meet Africa's undertaker bird, not a villain, but nature's sanitation crew. Savannas and wetlands to settlements, marabous thrive across sub-Saharan Africa. Unfeathered head and neck stay cleaner when feeding deep inside carcasses. By removing carrion, they curb disease, recycling organic waste to keep ecosystems balanced. Opportunists too, snapping insects, fish, even small mammals when chances arise. Social birds breed in colonies, nesting high in tall trees, raising voracious chicks. In flight, they retract their necks. Distinct silhouette, efficient glide built for distance. Respect the cleanup crew. The marabou stork, Africa's primary scavenger.